Well, almost done. You can see here I got all that side there slicked. I got a little bit in the corner that's a little bit rough. Got most of that cleaned up, just got the dirt pile on the edge of the road that we're scraping and hauling off. And I'll go ahead and show me rolling the last little bit of the lip of the dirt over there, and then that'll be it. That was a big project for a little hole. Would have been a lot nicer doing the back slope with a 48-inch ditching bucket to final grade compared to trying to slick out with a little 24-inch trenching bucket. But if I'd have been moving any more dirt any faster, my brother wouldn't have been able to keep up with his little tractor there anyways. So I've been bucketing and hauling some alongside him there with the two of us there. It was just a lot of dirt to move when you do a 5 or 6 foot deep ditch here. So 24, 26 feet top with about a 35 to 40 foot bottom slope. So a long bit of digging and working over there, like I say, the edge there. But anyways, I'm gonna continue on here. that's gonna have to be good enough. I literally was finishing the last couple of swipes there, and I was gonna move over and do a little bit more fine trimming on the right side there of the camera, but one of my under hoses on the transfer hose there on the back there just blew there. It's started misting oil, so just got done. So no more backhoe work with that now till I get that hose, figure out which one to let go. I'm not sure. I think it's my they got a whole gaggle of hoses there in the back there at the flex point there, so I'll show you right away. It's one of these here. I don't know, one of the three there. Yeah, they got protective wrap on it, hose wrap, so I'll have to unspiral that wrap off of there and have somebody watch when I apply some hydraulic pressure to see which hose blew a pinhole. So these things happen when you run equipment. Stuff gets dry rotted. I've had the machine for several years now, and I think I've only changed one hose on it all that time, but now that one's let go, I'm pretty much going to be guaranteed there's going to be more that are probably going to start letting go on the machine. It's just how it is. Time and heat and dry rot, and they get weathered, and nothing you can do. It's just the way it goes. So anyways, got a little bit of dirt left here to bucket and move. Gonna go ahead and push this up here in the little stockpile, and then I'll help my brother finish moving the last of it here, and we'll call it good. So anyways, just like to say thanks everybody for stopping by and checking out another one of my videos, and we'll see you all in the next one. And been a long day for us here digging this out, so but we got it done. See you folks all in the next one.